Step on a scale. The number you see is real, but almost none of it is what you think it is. About 99% of your body weight is not matter, it is energy, frozen, locked into the structure of every single atom inside you. In 1905, Albert Einstein wrote one short equation that completely changed how we understand reality. E equals mc squared. Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. What he had discovered is that mass and energy are not two different things. They are two faces of the same fundamental substance. A tiny amount of mass contains an enormous quantity of energy because the conversion factor, the speed of light squared, is a very, very large number. Mass is simply concentrated, stable energy. This is not just an abstract idea. It's happening right now across the solar system. Look at the sun. Every second, it converts about 4 million tons of its own mass directly into the light and heat that sustains our world. The sunlight warming your face right now is mass that no longer exists as matter. But here is the deeper, more personal truth hidden inside you. Every atom in your body is built from a nucleus of protons and neutrons. Each of those, in turn, is made of 3 even smaller particles called quarks. Now, if you were to take those 3 quarks out and put them on a scale, their combined mass would account for less than 1% of the mass of the proton they form. So where is the other 99%? It comes from the binding energy of the strong nuclear force, the powerful field holding those quarks together. You are not made of solid stuff held in place by forces. You are made of forces locked into the stable shape of matter. Matter is frozen energy. Think about what this means. The solidity of your body, the weight of the chair you're sitting on, the very substance of the world is not a property of fundamental stuff. It is a property of relationships. It's an emergent quality of structure. The force fields binding particles together literally carry the mass we perceive. The structure of how things hold each other is what carries reality. This inverts our entire view of the world. Matter is not the foundation. Matter is what energy looks like when it is organized into stable, self-perpetuating patterns. If you could strip away those patterns, if you could dissolve the structure, you wouldn't find some fundamental substance left over. There is no stuff. There is only the structure itself. And this is the central thesis of this series. Reality is not built from matter. It's the other way around. Matter itself is built from structure, from information, from the dynamic patterns that manage to persist through the flow of time. Next week, we explore the strangest pattern in the universe, the one that looks back at itself, consciousness. Subscribe to Synapse Bytes. We continue.